Let me guess. You're staring at a huge book right now. Hundreds of pages, dates, definitions, names that all sound the same. And somewhere in your head there's this quiet panic. How am I supposed to remember all this? Most people think memorization is about intelligence. It's not. It's about how the brain stores information, and if you fight the brain's rules, it will punish you with forgetting. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain doesn't remember what you read. It remembers what it processes. That's why rereading is a trap. You read, you feel productive, but nothing sticks. Now here's where things change. If you want to remember 200 pages in one day, you have to stop treating the book like information. You have to treat it like a story your brain must survive. Because the brain remembers three things extremely well: danger, emotion, and meaning.
If a page has none of these, your brain deletes it. So instead of asking, "How do I memorize this?" ask this: "What is this trying to say to me?" Every paragraph must become a message, not words, a message. Here's a simple mental shift. After every page, close the book and explain it in your own words, out loud if you can. If you can't explain it simply, you didn't learn it. You just looked at it.
Now, let's talk about time. Trying to memorize for hours straight is brain sabotage. Your brain learns in bursts, not marathons. 45 minutes of deep focus, 10 minutes of complete disconnection. No phone, no scrolling, because forgetting starts with distraction. Here's another secret most students miss. Your brain loves patterns. If you connect pages together, they stop being 200 pages. They become one structure, one mental map. That's why mind maps work, not because they're fancy, but because they match how memory works.
And here's the final piece: sleep. Without sleep, memorization is temporary. Sleep is when the brain saves files. No sleep, no long-term memory. So no, you're not bad at memorizing. You were just taught the wrong method. Change the method, and even 200 pages stop being scary.